Bird nests. Why do birds build their nests? Birds usually only build nests for holding their eggs and rearing chicks. Birds build nests to lay their eggs in and keep them safe, to incubate their eggs, to raise their chicks, to protect their eggs and chicks from predators, to protect their eggs and chicks from adverse weather conditions. Different types of nest. Long-lasting bird nests. Eagle. Small and flexible bird nests. Hummingbird. Oriole nests. Oriole. No fuss nests. Dove. Precarious cliffside nests. Swallow. Floating nests. Underground nests. Early nesters. Eagle. Male and female eagles build their nest together. Both eagles will bring sticks to add to the nest structure and arrange them within the nest. The nest building activity is part of their pair bonding. Hummingbird. Hummingbirds build velvety, compact cups with spongy floors and elastic sides that stretch as the young grow. They weave together twigs, plant fibers, and beds of leaves and use spider silk as threads to bind their nests together and anchor them to the foundation. Hummingbird eggs are about the size of navy beans. Oriole. Most oriole nests can be found hanging in the canopy of deciduous tree, snug and secure from predators, but some species in the Great Plains build cup-shaped nests to low shrubs to shield them from the wind. Dove. A male dove congregates building materials like grass, weed, and twigs for the female to use in building the nest. Nests are 5 to 25 feet above the ground. She makes a loose structure where eggs can fall in case the bird is startled or the object holding the nest is suddenly moved. Swallow. For nesting, swallows may use a hole or cranny in a tree, burrow into a sandbank, or plaster mud onto a wall or ledge to house 3 to 7 white, sometimes speckled eggs. Swallows occur worldwide except in the coldest regions and remotest islands. Viva bird. Weaver, also called weaver bird, any of a number of small finch-like birds of the Old World or any of several related birds that are noted for their nest building techniques using grass, stems, and other plant fibers. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel. Bye.